Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide emojis from your videos using CapCut. So in here, I have this video with emoji on it at the top left corner, and I want to cover or hide the emojis. So you can use masking to cover it. And what you need to do first is just duplicate the video. So just click on it and find the duplicate option, this one, and make one of the video as overlay like this, and put or drag the overlay video to have the same position with the main video. And on the overlay in here, go to mask. So find the part to cover the emoji. Because the emoji is circle, I'm going to use a circle shape, and I'm going to just use this part, for example, and adjust the size to easily cover the emoji. For example, here, click on a check icon, and after that, here, click on the overlay and just drag it or move it so that it cover the emoji just like that. So when you play the video, the emoji will not be there because it has been hidden. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.